I'm just sitting here trying to figure out my next step because I spent so much time prepping for my latest, greatest speech for class. And I would say my execution was subpar. I prepared with my outline like I was supposed to, and I have an audience of 3 to 4 people. There's actually 3 adults and a baby, but yeah, and the baby was not disruptive. I was over. I went over the 3 to 4 minutes for the assignment, and I actually reshot several times, but I am not, going to be able to meet the requirements of this assignment, and I need to reshoot it. I'm just frustrated with myself. But I'm going to go ahead and post an edited version of the speech to YouTube that I have. In the meantime, I'll be brainstorming quickly on my feet, on my toes, thinking, how the heck do I reshoot this?
Hello everyone, I'm Tanisha. Welcome. Thank you for joining me today in this how-to speech that we're going to be doing. How is everyone? Good? Awesome. Alright, so if you are not already aware, I show my love by cooking. I like to cook for people. I like to make drinks. Today I'm making a drink I don't make often, but I like to make for people. The way I came to the conclusion of making strawberry lemonade, you guys can see the screen, is I did a poll. So the poll included strawberry lemonade, it included peanut butter smoothies, and it also included boiling water. But we ended up landing on the strawberry lemonade. I did have some write-ins for chocolate recipes. Sorry I didn't make it through. And I also had a write-in for sandwiches. So we will be doing separate polls. I will be sending out separate polls in the future for us to talk about sandwiches and chocolate recipes. But for now, we're going to stick with the strawberry lemonade. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is a recipe that is inspired by something I found on allrecipes.com. And it was posted by David Anthony Tate in June 2014. And again, that's on allrecipes.com if you want to check that out. So this recipe is more of an homage to him. It's not an exact replica of what he did, but pretty much if you want the same recipe and the same or very similar outcome, go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and again get started. I will start with telling you what I have. So you guys in the room can see what I have listed here for the ingredients. I have 8 large strawberries cut up right here, and I would suggest you at least quarter them, if not, cut them up even more. And I suggest you get rid of the stems. So let's get rid of those. Also, we're going to go ahead and sugar with 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and sugar these strawberries as well with those. And we're going to blend those first, but let me finish going through the ingredients. Next up, I like to say 6 plus 1 cups of water. Because the 1 cup is going to go in first, we'll talk about that when I get to blending it. Also, we have 2 cups of freshly squeezed lemonade. And I have 1 more cup of sugar. So here's our water over here. It's kind of big. I don't want to mess up the pretty presentation, so we'll get to that as we need it. So first up, let me go ahead and put the strawberries in, and while I'm dumping the strawberries in, anybody have any questions for me about what I'm doing so far? Great. So we're going to blend it up, and it's going to get nice and juicy. I don't mind it getting a little bit messy because I think cooking is fun, which kind of means it can get messy at times. So that's okay. So don't let that stress you out. Put that lid on. And again, I'm going to blend it up until it's nice and juicy. Alright, so we got that into a nice juice. Next we're going to do with those sugared strawberries is we're going to add 1 cup of water. such a piece a little bit. And after we blend those strawberries, guys, we're going to go ahead and dump in everything else and just blend it away. Let's start with the 1 cup of sugar. Oops, that's okay. 1 cup of sugar we want to add in addition to the other 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to do our 2 cups of freshly squeezed lemonade, or lemon juice, I should say, not lemonade yet. And finally, we're going to add the remainder of that water. Go a little drippy, but that's okay. Okay. All right, so that should be a total of 7 cups of water. And I'm going to go ahead and blend again. And you guys see how easy that was to make. So what I did beforehand was I set aside a container with ice and sliced lemons. So we're going to go ahead and pour this concoction into the container with ice and sliced lemons. I might just pour this over the sink really quick. Ready to serve yourself or ready to serve friends and family. Anybody who likes strawberry lemonade or might want to try a refreshing treat. And spring's coming up, or we're in spring, and summer's coming up, so you have a nice, beautiful drink in here. And we had some ice in there as well as some lemon slices. So, with that being said, does anybody have any questions about how to make strawberry lemonade? No? Nope. All right. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.